What's up, everyone? It's Kelly France, and I'm super excited to show you guys Color Street's new kit. They just sent it to me because I am doing a regional training this morning, and they wanted me to show the new kit to all of our stylists at this local training. So I thought I would unbox it and show it to you guys too, because there's some new goodies in here. And the price is still the same. It's still $129, but there's some more, there's some extra nail sets. So I'm going to unbox it and show you guys everything that's in it. So, there's so many goodies, you guys. It's so fun. Let me start with the nail polish strips. So it comes with, and the new kit comes with a pedicure set. So Color Street has a new pedicure line that is super fun. So if you're not into manis, pedicures are where it's at. They also added 2 extra petite sets. Oh, here they are. These are for small hands and just have like more of a whimsical style. So there's 2 of those in every kit. And then you get 10 full sets of the nail polish strips, including like a glitter. They just put in a good variety. They also include a French tip set, solids, some of the nail designs, glitter designs, so many good things. So you get a total of 13 nail polish strips in all, and this one is magic. This is like the most popular set. Look at that. Look at the way that sparkles. Hi Janelle. Hi Brandy. So yeah, that's 13 sets right there. That's incredible. And then you get all these. So let me just show you what it looks like here. So, there we go. So you also get all these 2 finger testers samples. I call them accent nail samples, but you get these to hand out to your friends and family to try. And when people try these, guys, it blows their mind. Like, I love just like putting it on people's nails randomly. When people compliment my own nails, I'll be like, oh, you need to try these. And when they put them on, they're like, wait, what? Like, you just did my nails in 30 seconds? Like, it's mind-blowing. So these are really powerful sewing tool, and you get 72 of these. And so I love these because you can hand them out to friends and family, and even strangers that compliment you at the store. And you can also mail them out. So if you don't have a big network locally, you can mail these out, and it's magic. You also get let me pull these out. 2 of these nail files, these big old nail files that are awesome. You get 2 buffers. Hi guys, hi Bria. So there's all the goodies that you get for your nails. And then you also get some sales tools. You get a little welcome letter from corporate, featuring our amazing CEO, who is also the inventor of these nail polish strips. You get some tips for applying. You get this tote bag. This is like one of my favorite things, is this tote bag. This can hold like a binder, which is really nice for some people carry their nails in like a binder. So you get this big old tote bag. I'm not gonna, well, maybe I'll open it. It's like Christmas. See how cute this is? So you get this thing, and seriously, like, this can carry a big old, I've had like a 2-inch binder in this before, and it's awesome. So you get that. You also get nail polish remover pads. Guys, these are amazing. Like, I love these things because I use these all the time to remove my nail polish strips, especially when I'm on the go. When I'm traveling, I do my nails on the plane, and you can put these, let me show you what they look like. You can put these in, just like in your purse, and remove your nail polish with them. So they give you 2 boxes of these. So these are amazing. I'm like in love with these. This is how I remove. You can remove Color Street with just regular nail polish remover, but I like these little nail polish remover pads. They're kind of like, it's like a little baby wipe. It's awesome. And then they give you prep pads for when you're doing your nails. These are alcohol prep pads to make them last longer and stick better. And then you get these little mini nail files to hand out with your two-finger tester samples. You get these catalogs. Let me show you. I'm going to open it up so you can see. The catalogs are so fun. I just think they just look really nice, and they're a great way to show people all our products quickly, and all the different styles. We have a ton of different styles. We just launched Holiday, which is so fun. But this features our fall and winter line. And then it doesn't show the limited edition holiday sets, but all here just kind of shows you all the different styles. So you get a bunch of these. I didn't memorize how many you get. I'm sorry, guys. And then you also get these little brochures. I will open these because I'm going to display them today during the regional training anyways. These fun brochures to hand out to anyone that's interested in the business opportunity, which, by the way, you guys, in the month of October, if you sign up as a Color Street stylist, then you will get 5 free sets in addition to your kit. And the kit cost is $129. It's amazing. So anyway, this is the little brochure they give you to hand out to anyone that, you know, might be interested in Color Street. Just kind of talks about our story and everything, which the story is amazing. And then finally, the last thing in the kit is this Road to Success workbook that you get that includes like the Jumpstart rewards you can earn. It includes, it helps you just kind of kickstart your business. It has our comp plan all laid out, which, guys, our comp plan is incredible. It's so generous. And just different ideas to get your business started off right. So that's all. Look at all that stuff you get in the kit that is only $129. Guys, that's amazing. Like $129 to start your business is mind-blowing to me, because this is a potential like 6 and 7 figure business if you work hard and you know, are consistent and put in the effort over time. It's going to pay off. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys, show you the kit. So amazing, because the new kit, they added those 3 extra sets, which were the petites and the pedicures. So a total of 13 nail polish sets in the new kit. So super exciting stuff. They didn't even change the price. So thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.